Three of the main features for structuring a file are classes, layers, and views. All of these features can be managed in the Organization dialog box, which can be opened either here in the Tools menu or by clicking on the class or layer icons. Classes are categories used to give names and graphic characteristics to objects. If you're already familiar with AutoCAD, note that Vectorworks classes are analogous to layers in AutoCAD. By using classes, you can sort objects so their visibility can be easily controlled. You can also give a uniform graphic look to all items within a class. To illustrate how classes work, some classes have already been created. Their attributes have been set with different pen thicknesses, pen color, and dash styles. The Use at Creation option is checked so that every new object drawn in each of these classes will take on those attributes. When a class is chosen from the class list, this class becomes the active class, and all objects drawn will be automatically placed in it. And as you can see, the objects have taken on its features, as seen here in the Attributes palette. Another class is now active, and a second object is drawn. Notice how the second object takes on the attributes of that class. At any time, an object can be selected and its class can be changed here in the Object Info palette. To show how class visibility works, click in these columns: Visible, Invisible, and Gray. Note that objects in the active class will always be visible. The Navigation palette, which is an additional feature available only in the Design Series products, can also be used to quickly set the active layer and class and change their visibilities. While classes can be thought of as categories for objects, design layers are a working space in which most drawing or modeling will occur. A simple drawing might need only a single layer, while other drawings might need many layers in order to work efficiently. As I showed earlier, design layers are given a scale, and each layer can be given a different scale. Although I'm still drawing objects at their real-world sizes, I see them displayed at the chosen scale. Controlling the visibility of design layers is similar to that of classes. Design layers can also have a height and position in 3D space. Different stories of a multi-story building, for example, could be drawn on separate layers. And if I set the height of a layer to 8 feet, all the walls drawn on the layer will be drawn to 8 feet. Sheet layers, on the other hand, are presentation spaces. I don't create a drawing on sheet layers, only annotate and arrange the page for printing. Views can be made in two ways. Saved views are used when designing and drawing. They set combinations of classes and layer visibility that I want to return to frequently. Viewports are for the layout of a printed sheet and allow me to present the same drawing in different ways, since the viewport can be moved around the page, cropped to any shape, be of any scale, or presented at different viewing angles. As part of a well-organized office system, workgroup referencing is a way of sharing design layers and resources among different files. It is an indispensable way for members of a large firm to share resources, because parts of one file can be actually linked to another file. When a resource is referenced, a dynamic link exists between the two files. Any changes made to the resource in the source file can be automatically updated in the target file, allowing a single change to be seen throughout an entire set of drawings, greatly reducing the possibility of errors or inconsistent drawings.